Hi everybody, this is Jazz, aka Trend Trader for you. Just wanted to wrap up a few of the calls that I called out on StockTwits. Not the best day. A lot of trades didn't trigger. A lot of them just didn't work as expected. And top of that, not to bring my personal life in here, but my babysitter didn't show up today, so I was kind of frustrated. And that's one of the reasons I didn't want it to throw out too many trades out there. But yes, one of them is sleeping, other ones I'm holding right now. But I had to make this video just because there's a lesson to be learned in here that not every single time or every single day we're going to have the best day or we're going to have a greatest day. You need to basically have some kind of rule that okay, if I have 3 4 trades beginning of the hour or end of the day or whatever it is, I'm done for that day. I'm not taking any more trades just because I'm stopped out or the market is slow or whatever it is. Excuse me, that's my little girl. Her name is Kay. She's trying to talk to me. Okay. Anyway, so let's look at a couple of them. GLNG was called above 3503. This was the only trade that actually worked really nice. 3503 went up all the way up to 3567, and if you guys know me, I start calling out to take profits around 30 cents, and it's just a magic number that works. And more than the magic number, it's just the number for me. Where I can lock in some profits or move my stop to break even. And at the end, if I keep on doing that, it comes out to a point where I'm either breaking even at the end of the day or I'm profitable at the end of the day. So GLNG was one of them. And then there was a PETM. PETM was long above 81.29, right around here, and a stop was below this. It went up to 81.44, so not the best of a run, but also I said I'm breaking even on this just because the SPY wasn't looking good today, and I had to make a judgment based on that, not based on PETM how PetSmart was doing, right? So PETM, and then I also alerted about this ANGI. Actually, I have alert here for if it comes down here, I might take a trade around here. So, anyways, the ANGI was I alerted around 622. Look for a long day. Went up to 637, and I'm actually holding this for a swing a little bit more, and I did get some off at around 633. And this was a trade that was also sent out to a few of the clients just because they wanted to get a low price stock and very risky stock, but if it has the potential to move, it can move. So anyway, so moving on to the next one, DUST was called again. 2782 long above 2782. I had a stop limit order which never triggered. This is a spready stock, as most of you guys know. This is a spready stock, so it didn't have didn't fill in. But even if you guys filled in, you had enough time to either put your stop to get the lowest risk out, uh, based on the candlesticks I see, based on the other stuff I see. But worst come to worst, it was a stop out. This was a stop out. This was a stop one. This was 27 below 27.22. So that didn't work. Then I called it straight out again. Long above 27. Looking at my notes again. Feel free to check them out. So 27.23 was the next trade called out and went up to 27.54. Gave it 30 cents move on there. So that worked out really nice. And actually 30 cents, but eventually came down here. So he gave a lot more opportunities after that to take this trade as well. And I alerted on this one was look at higher the daybreak. Higher the daybreak was around here 27.92, and I took this trade and went up to I believe it was 28.74. I took some profits, but look at this nice trade all the way up there. Very nice intraday uptrend. Sometimes this is one of those movers. When it moves, it can really move, but you just don't know how far it's gonna move. So but the best is to keep moving your stops and keep taking profits. So that was that. Then ETR was never triggered. 87.99 was a long above 87.99 was a trade on here, never triggered. QIHU never triggered. Then there was LUV never triggered for me. SVS, CVS, my bad. CVS was flat out stop out. 91.45 was long above, right around here. It didn't have a follow through. And 91.07, right around there was a stop out. So this was a simply stop out. So again, not the best of the day, but I had to make these analysis just because I don't want it to just talk about all the winners and all the losers. I wanted to mix it up, and this wasn't the best of the day. And you will have many of these where you're not gonna have the best of the day. So what you do in a day like this, you take some trades and you either look at the market and say, okay, I'm not going to take any more trades if the market is stagnant, right? If the market is trending up or down, you're going to go with the market. And I try to find stocks that have relative strength that are stronger than the SPY. But if you know, I've been proven wrong, so that's totally fine. That's what traders are. We all get proven wrong, right? And this one exactly what I was proven wrong. But you know, if I were to ride the downturn on it, obviously I didn't know, this is all hindsight, but you know, it just didn't work. So anyways guys, this is it. That's for the small wrap up for the day, and see if we can get some trades out today. Another thing is I'm trying to do about 3 trades, try to post about 3 calls on the stock twit, not more than that, just because you know I'm getting kind of exhausted putting the trades out, and you know, not, I mean, not that I'm saying, you know, not getting anything in return. I do get clients off that, but you know, I'm trying to just kind of limit it where I put enough trades, the winners out, and if I have stop loss, yeah, I have stop loss. But mostly what I'm trying to do is put the winners out, and if I have 3 winners out, you know, I call that a successful day, because stop loss are always going to be small, the winners are always going to be bigger, just like the DUSD. Okay, so that's it, and I'll talk to you guys later. Take care, bye.